Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Relaxing with music at home.
After such a long and exhausting day at work, all I really want to do now is relax at home with some calming music.
That sounds like a perfect plan, especially when your mind feels overloaded and needs a gentle break.
I agree, because music always helps me slow down and forget about all the stress from the day.
What kind of music are you thinking of listening to tonight while you relax?
I was thinking about playing some soft piano music, or maybe a bit of acoustic guitar.
That sounds peaceful, and those kinds of sounds always create a warm and cozy atmosphere at home.
Yes, I even dim the lights and sit comfortably on the couch to make the experience more relaxing.
That's a great idea, because the environment can really affect how deeply you can relax.
Sometimes I also light a candle to make the room feel even calmer and more peaceful.
Wow, that must feel like a small personal retreat right inside your own house.
Exactly. It's like creating my own quiet space where I can just breathe and unwind slowly.
Do you usually listen with headphones or do you prefer playing the music out loud?
I prefer playing it softly through speakers so it fills the whole room gently.
That makes sense, because it feels more natural and less isolated than using headphones.
Yes, and it helps me feel more connected to the space around me.
Do you ever close your eyes while listening and just focus on the sound?
I do that often, especially when I want to clear my thoughts and relax deeply.
That sounds almost like meditation, just using music instead of silence.
You're right. It really feels like meditation sometimes, and it helps me feel refreshed.
I should try that too, because I've been feeling stressed lately as well.
You definitely should, because even just 30 minutes can make a big difference.
Do you ever create playlists specifically for relaxing at home?
Yes, I have a playlist filled with calm instrumental songs and soft melodies.
That's great, because having a ready playlist makes it easier to relax without thinking too much.
Exactly. I don't want to waste time choosing songs when I just want to unwind.
Do you listen to the same songs every time, or do you change them often?
I usually keep a mix of familiar songs and a few new ones to keep things interesting.
That sounds like a good balance between comfort and variety.
Yes, familiar music makes me feel safe, while new music keeps me curious.
I like that idea because it keeps the experience fresh without losing the relaxing feeling.
Sometimes I even lie down on the couch and just let the music play in the background.
That must feel incredibly peaceful, especially after a busy and tiring day.
It really does, and sometimes I even fall asleep without realizing it.
That means the music is doing its job perfectly by helping you relax completely.
Yes, and I always wake up feeling much calmer and more refreshed.
Do you ever combine music with other relaxing activities like reading or drinking tea?
Yes, I often drink a warm cup of tea while listening to music in the evening.
That sounds like such a cozy and comforting routine.
It is, and it helps me transition from a busy day to a peaceful night.
I really like that idea, and I think I should start doing something similar.
You should, because creating a relaxing routine can improve your mood a lot.
Do you think music helps you sleep better at night as well?
Definitely, because it calms my mind and makes it easier to fall asleep.
I often struggle with sleep, so maybe this could help me too.
You can start with slow and gentle music before going to bed.
I will try that tonight and see if it makes a difference.
Let me know how it goes, because I think you will really enjoy it.
I'm sure I will, especially if it helps me relax after a long day.
Music has a powerful way of changing how we feel, even without us noticing.
That's true, because even a simple melody can completely change your mood.
Exactly, and that's why I always make time to relax with music at home.
I think I need to start making time for that too, instead of just scrolling on my phone.
Yes, it's a much healthier and more peaceful way to spend your evening.
Thank you for sharing your routine with me, because it really inspired me.
You're welcome, and I hope it helps you feel more relaxed and happy.
I'm looking forward to trying it tonight and creating my own relaxing space.
That's great. And remember to keep everything simple and comfortable.
I will, and I'll start with some soft music and a quiet environment.
That sounds perfect, and I'm sure you will enjoy every moment of it.
Thanks again, and now I'm excited to go home and relax with music.